what are some of the most popular myths that you're frequently confronted with? What do people, what are the misconceptions that people have about casting, about the casting job, about the job that you do, and you find that you're constantly surprised that people think that's how it's done?
15 years people have said, casting couch.
Correct.
15 years. I was just like, please, yeah. Yeah. I think that I think people don't realize how competitive it is. Not competitive as in like everyone's running the race, but how when there's one role you're casting for, there are actually 14 ways of doing it. And then it's a decision that the director and the producer with your suggestions make to go with whoever works for their story. So if you don't get a role, it doesn't mean it's like आप में कुछ कमी है.
Right.
It could be just that they want to go with someone who's tall. I mean,
Sure.
sometimes it's as ridiculous as that. He's taller than the actor, so yeah, इसको ले लेंगे, yeah, what are the other misconceptions? Pretty much this, and that we don't call you all in enough. But we don't get enough work, so it's a little difficult.
I want to ask you, have you seen a film? I mean, you cast Dreamgirl recently, beautiful actors in those roles. Have you seen a film recently that you went, I wish I'd done this, I wish I'd got this job?
All the time.
Really?
Yeah. I was annoyed. I mean, I loved Wasipur so much.
Sure.
Yeah, 1 and 2, and I was just like, damn it. Lunchbox. I come out of most films irritated that I haven't worked on them. Until I have. Yeah.
Have there been actors that you've seen and gone, why didn't I find this guy or this girl?
All the time. Yeah, all the time. I mean, I can't think of a single name
Sure.
right now because I've gone blank, but
Have there been people
so
you've
many
said
good
you've-
actors.
Have there been people you've said no to? I mean, like didn't cast and they've gone on to.
No.
That's a good track record.
No.
Okay. You have questions to help you. We absolutely want to take it. Okay. The lady there was. Let's give her the mic.
Hi, good evening. So my question is, when I'm an actor, my name is Presha. So when I send my portfolio resume to a casting director such as you, what are the guidelines? So like you've mentioned, there need to be pictures, there need to be like in details, and there's one more question, but I also want to know what more could I add to the resume so that people like you could see.
So as you said, resume, that's the right word. So you want us to know about you.
Yes.
So what would be good is, A, we know what you look like because casting is a visual medium. B, how old are you? How old you are. The work you've done helps because sometimes you watch something and then you're like, oh, hey, this is that person. Right. And that sort of helps us. And if you haven't done work also, it's fine. It has to be a beginning. But just a little bit about yourself. Not that my hobbies are painting and singing. But unless there's something interesting. I remember there was a guy, an actor who got cast because he put juggling in his resume, and that really tickled the director's fancy. So, I mean, just stuff that you'd want to share with us that would help us know when to call you in.
Where does my resume go when I send it to you? Because I've sent it 100 times.
In the dust. No, now it goes. We have an email ID. We have an email ID, so it comes to us. Yeah, it's morecasting@gmail.com, guys. Yeah, so that we're done with that, and then we label it accordingly. So I assume you're in your 20s, so we'd have you under 20s girls, and then if you've done something like everyone says theatre. Everyone says theatre, but if you've actually done plays that one knows of and all, then we label that. Or if you know how to dance or sing, then we add that. Taekwondo, then we can,
Or went to
stuff like that.
Strasbourg or something.
Oh yeah, yeah, whatever. I mean, if you study, तो for sure.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
The gentleman here.
मैम नमस्ते एक बार मौका मिला था आपके ऑफिस में
I
ऑडिशन
remember.
देने का
हाँ जी,
और
नमस्ते।
बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था
Thank
मतलब
God.
बहुत ही रेयर होता है कि ऐसे ऑडिशन लेते हैं और सबसे ज़्यादा एक जो सवाल मेरा था ये कि जब हम लोग ऑडिशन के लिए जाते हैं असिस्टेंट से लेके जो कैमरा तक जो भी बंदा शूट होता है जनरली आपके ऑफिस में बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है जब हम स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते हैं तो हमारा एक अपना थॉट आता है कि ऐसे परफॉर्म करना है हर आदमी अपने तरीके से ब्रीफिंग देता है तो और वो भी हमें 3 मिनट के अंदर परफॉर्म करना होता है तो तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन होता है एंड वो 2 मिनट के अंदर बोलो एंड जाके ऐसे 2 सेकंड के बाद रोल 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 एक्शन एंड जब तक मतलब 2 सेकंड 2 मिनट जनरली सीरियल्स में, तो उसको कैसे डील करें। और दूसरा सवाल ये है कि हम लोग ऑडिशन ये टीवी करते हैं तो ज़्यादातर लोग बोलते हैं कि जब फिल्मों के लिए आप रिज्यूम भेजो तो उसमें टीवी का एक्सपीरियंस मत लिखो।
कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, जितना काम करो इट्स बेटर फॉर यू। तो वो मत करो कि मैंने टीवी किया तो मैं नहीं लिखूंगा, दैट्स द थिंग। एंड ये फटाफट वाले ऑडिशंस मैंने किए हुए हैं, एडवर्टाइजिंग में भी गो वेरी फास्ट, कम ऑन नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट। जस्ट बी स्मार्ट, जस्ट वेट योर टर्न, टाइम लगाओ, बोलो उनको मेरे को 10 मिनट चाहिए ही चाहिए।
Yes.
अगर बोलेंगे तो कुछ नहीं कहेंगे लोग, पीपल विल मेक यू, आई विल लेट यू टेक योर टाइम। इट्स ऑल अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन।
थैंक यू सर।
In the blue in the hat, इनको दे दो.
Hello sir, hello ma'am.
Hi.
I wanted to ask ki, when you are casting for characters from the script and everything, so are you actually searching for actors or characters? Because and don't you think fit and not fit at the gate like actually harms the whole process because the actors won't get in?
So fit and not fit, so we don't do at the gate. We're looking at actors who can fit the character. So if you have it in you and you have a certain physicality, it does matter, yeah, for that role. Then you know the thing. Then it depends on if you get the scene right.
Ma'am, because I have heard of a lot of filmmakers, even the some prominent ones that have started working with characters. Like it's easier if you cast a character, na, because he's naturally that guy.
But
So do you also take the decision during casting, like
No.
if there is a character coming?
No, I always say a good actor is a good actor is a good actor. So if that role has something that they have in common, he'll find that voice of that character.
Ma'am, what is the definition of an ideal audition according to you? An ideal audition.
An ideal audition is when someone knows their lines.
Yes,
They've
ma'am.
thought about the character,
Yeah.
and they bring then and they hear what you're saying about what the vision is of the director that we're trying to share, and they get it. And we can do and we do many takes, but we're just having fun because they're so comfortable with who they're playing. From doing from understanding what the character is, that it's fun and you can collaborate, and then uske baad we'll do a take where you can do improv, and that's an ideal audition. Yeah.
Okay. No,
ऐसे तालियां
I'm
बजा
gonna
दो।
I'm gonna ask one last question, which hopefully will benefit. Again, if there's just one piece of advice that you could give anyone who wants to be an actor, what would you say? I mean, if this room, you know, if they had to leave feeling like we benefited and we did, I feel like everyone has. There's been a lot of clarity. But if they could take home something that they feel that they really benefited from, what is the advice that you would give to actors? Sorry, that's a lot of pressure.
I wish I'd thought of this before.
No, of course, don't.
I feel it's like keep doing stuff. Keep doing stuff. If you're not
No
getting...
job is too small?
No job is too small. And if you're not getting paid work, if it's not happening... Like, and I'm not saying theatre, जैसे film लोग कहते हैं ना, theatre में जाओ. I'm not saying that. I find it amazing what you learn from just doing one play a year. You know, just keep doing whatever you get. Just keep doing it. Don't be like, नहीं मुझे ये screen में TV नहीं करूँगी, ये कर. Do whatever you get, and you'll just get better and better. And then one day there'll be that flip.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Nandini. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for coming.